In this video, I am finally deep cleaning my junky car. I'm giving it the spring clean out it's been begging for. There are befores and afters all throughout this video, so stay tuned and you will see a satisfying car cleaning transformation. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy, and as you can see, this car is a mess. But whenever I'm not in the best headspace, my spaces usually will reflect that. But I'm doing much better now, and I'm so ready to tackle this mess. Okay guys, so I'm really showing you guys all of my dirty little secrets. You guys are gonna see the most random stuff being pulled from underneath this seat. This is so embarrassing. So I picked up these wipes from Walmart, I believe. I don't really like them. I think initially they looked fine, but they did leave a lot of wet streaks that took forever to dry down, and I mean days. And they really dried out quickly, so I had to go through a lot of them each time I wanted to wipe an area. So the vacuuming, you guys see it. This vacuum was horrible. It was weak. The tip, as you can see, it fell off. And I honestly think that my house vacuum would have done a much better job. And you'll see that throughout the video. Eventually, I do want to get my car professionally detailed. So hopefully that will kind of help with some of the stuff that I couldn't get up.
In the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go, this time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts, oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep, there's no passion in the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 yeah. moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's different.
Don't ask me how I got so much sand in the front seat, because I'm really still trying to figure that out myself.
Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
This is the area that I struggled in the most with vacuuming, because the vacuum just wasn't up to par. I did vacuum this area again, but you'll still see that it wasn't enough to completely remove all of the sand, but it is better than it was before, so I think it's fine for now.
Figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Oh, try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need stop the clock and rewind. Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking.
This Jay Leno wheel cleaner is the real MVP of this whole video. It did such an amazing job helping me to remove all of the grime that was stuck on the wheel. It did smell a little funny, and my 4-year-old said that it smelled like a wet diaper, and I did kind of agree with him, but I really don't care because I'm still going to use it because it's that good.
Put your love on me. Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Break my precious heart. I know it's true love makes you blind, 'cause now I see what lies behind the promises. They went on and on about how you're coming home, only to prove you want me. The make believe it went way too deep. You made a fool of me, a fool of me. You had me waiting for you to come home. Good time to bad times, the moment you stole. You had me waiting for something so bold to finally tell me your love that went cold. You fooled me good, you fooled me good, you fooled me good. I gave it to ya, you fooled me good, you fooled me good. You fool me good, I give it to ya. You say you wanna save me, yeah, save me, but then you go and
So as the last step, I sprayed some wet tire spray on each tire, and this car cleaning transformation was complete. Side note, editing me is looking back at this footage, and it's reminding me to never let my car get like this again. It's not perfect, but it is such a huge improvement, and I hope that this was at least entertaining, motivating, and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.